Namaste. Unveiling Cropper, a step towards a seamless era of precise cultivation where no harvest ever wasted. And we are Agritech pioneers. So, as we are all familiar that how was the situation is in agriculture sector, so me and my teammates created this multitasking gardening and farming robot to address the issue. Myself, Madhav Gupta, being the team leader of this team, is responsible for all the design work, research work, and the presentation work.
I adapt and I manage the mechanical requirements of the team. I am Ravika and I look over all the coding requirements of the team.
So we created a multitasking gardening and farming robot, as I said earlier. It is capable to cut grasses in your houses, water plants, and has a special container that contains a mixture of seeds, soil composite that can be directly sown in the farm fields. It can be controlled with a remote control or via Bluetooth by connecting it to an app. So after having a direct vision about what we are going to do, the main challenge that me and my teammates faced was to create a ideal design for a robot that is capable to do all the required tasks as we discussed earlier. So the image that you see here is the final design that me and my teammates finalized for a robot. So as a main designer of the team, the main challenges that I look forward to while creating this design was to make it capable enough to sustain the demanding terrains that it has to deal with on the gardens or the farm fields, or to just make it spacious enough to carry all the required accessories and sensors and the motherboards. Here you see a prototype just same as the design as you have here. We have created the same prototype by looking forward to the design. So the main components of the final design are, as it has a pipe on it to just sprinkle the water. It has a bulky body to make it sustainable in the gardens and make it a reliable worker in the farm fields too. This blue part here is the reference for a digital screen that will display all the animations like brightness and the temperature and all the pH monitoring of the plant, as it also has some sensors for it that we will discuss furthermore.
To make our prototype, we have used different sensors and accessories to make our robot functional. Here we have used ultrasonic sensor, soil moisture sensor and TM1637, that is this screen here. For the movement of our robot, we have used servo and DC motors. This is the internal structure of our robot. This is divided into three sections. First section is having all motherboard. Second section contains the wiring components, and third section contains the water tank and pump. Showcasing the attendant, the proper app. This app facilitates us with various features such as time control, user support, route mapping, and customization. This is the route mapping panel of the app, this is the front panel of the app, and this is the settings panel of the app. Features such as time control. You can schedule when to water, when to mow, and when to sow your seeds. Route mapping. This will be tailored to your specific needs according to your home. Customization. You can adjust the watering levels, the mowing height, and when to dispense the seeds according to your routine.
Last but not the least, for our future plans, we plan to get Cropper global exposure so that it can prove its worth in agriculture sector, make life of farmers easier, and make it easy to maintain the gardens. Thank you. Dhanyavad.